then automatic all works perfectly. It's got a really good little mechanism on it. Obviously multi-speed, and this cool little it tells you whether it's it tells the player whether it's a 12-inch or a 45. So when you, in fact I'll show you, when you put the record up top and the arm across, you then move that across to the centre, and then when you turn it on, it knows that it's a 45 and it knows where to go on the arm wise. Perfect. There's also an output for stereo speaker, and you can also use the speaker if you've got another amp or whatever you want to run through it. Take that out, plug it into there, and then also there's the output to take the recorder. So I'm not sure what that fitting's called. You might be able to see it's a bit dark. Yeah, really good, really cool, perfect condition, it's a beauty.